Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in today's video, let us start the new topic, constructions. From this topic, in your annual examination, you will be going to have two questions carrying 5 marks. One question will be carrying for 2 marks and the next one will be for 3 marks. So in this topic constructions, we are going to learn about 3 different types of constructions. The first one is to divide a line segment in a given ratio, and the second one is to construct a similar triangle for the given triangle by using scale factor, and the third one is to construct the tangents to the given circle. So let us start with to divide a line segment in a given ratio. The first example is draw AB is equal to 6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 3:2. So let us construct it. Let us divide the line segment measuring 6 centimeter in the given ratio 3:2. So first of all, the first step towards the construction is you have to draw a line segment measuring 6 centimeter. So draw a line segment measuring 6 centimeter and call this line as AB. So this is the first step towards the construction. Now the second step is towards down from point A, draw a ray AC making an angle of about 60 or 50 or 40 degrees, or in other words making an acute angle with the given line AB. So this is the second step towards the construction. Now take the sum of the terms of the ratio. 3 plus 2 will be 5. So by taking suitable distance on the compass, you have to cut this ray AC 5 times. 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, because the sum total of the terms of the ratio 3 and 2 will be 5. Now you name them as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. This is the second step towards the construction. Of the third one is join A5B. Draw a line joining the points B and A5. Now the first term of the ratio is 3. 3 refers, the point 3 refers by A3. So from A3 you have to draw a line parallel to A5B to AB. So how to draw a parallel line? This is what the method, by assuming A5 as a center, by taking suitable distance on compass, draw an arc like this. Okay, with point A3 draw another arc. Now on the compass itself, take the distance between these 2 points and cut this arc by means of another arc to get one point. Draw a line joining A3 and that point to meet AB at point D. Call this point as point D. So AB is now divided into the given ratio 3:2. AD has got 3 parts and DB will be of 2 parts. So this is how line segment, given line segment is divided in the ratio 3:2. Now coming to one more example. The example is draw a line of length 8.5 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 2:4. So as you know, The first step towards the construction is to draw a line segment measuring 8.5 centimeter. Name it as AB. Alright. The second step is from point A towards down, you have to draw one ray measuring an acute angle with AB. Now add the terms of the ratio. If you add 2 and 4, you will be getting 6. So you have to cut the ray AC 6 times by taking the suitable distance on compass. 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6th one. Okay, you name them as A1, A2, A3, this point as A4, and this will be A5, and lastly this will be A6. The next step is you have to join A6 and B to get a line segment A6B. Now the first term of the ratio given is 2. 2 refers A2. So from A2 you have to draw a line parallel to A6B to this line segment AB. And you know the method of drawing the parallel line by taking suitable distance on compass, assuming A6 as the center, you have to draw an arc, and here assuming A2 as the center, you have to draw another arc, okay, and take the distance in between these 2 points, and with the same distance, by assuming this point as center, you have to cut the previously drawn arc by means of another arc. Now you join A2 and that point by means of a straight line, and let this straight line or line segment meets AB at one point and call that point as D. So here AB is divided into the ratio 2:4. AD has got 2 parts and DB will be showing 4 parts. So this is how line segment, given line segment is divided in a given ratio. Let us solve one more example, rather 2 examples. The third example is draw PQ is equal to 7.2 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 4:1. So draw a line measuring 7.2 centimeter. Okay, this is the first step of the construction. Name this line segment as PQ. Draw a ray forming acute angle with P towards down. Call this point as R. Now add the terms of the ratio. 4 plus 1 will be 5. By taking suitable distance on compass, you cut the ray 5 times to get 5 points. 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. You name them as P1, P2, this is P3, this is P4, and lastly P5. Now the next step will be joining P5 to Q to get a line P5Q. The first term of the ratio is 4. So from P4 you have to draw a line parallel to P5Q to meet PQ at a certain point. The method you know, taking suitable distance, certain distance on compass, assuming P5 as center, you have to draw an arc like this, and from P4 you have to draw one more arc. Now you have to go for taking the distance between these 2 points. Okay, you take the distance between these 2 points and compass, then you have to assume this point as center, and you have to cut the arc, previously drawn arc, to get a point, and from P4 and that point you have to draw a line passing through which meets PQ at a certain point, and you call that point as S. Now PQ is divided in the ratio 4:1, where PS has 4 parts and SQ will be having 1 part. So in the same way, let us go for one more example. Draw a line of length 5.5 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:2. So first of all, you have to draw a line segment measuring 5.5 with the help of scale. You name this line segment as MN. Okay, now with M towards down, you have to draw a ray forming an acute angle. Name this point as P. So MP will be a ray which forms an acute angle with the given line segment MN of length 5.5 centimeter. Now add the terms of the ratio. 5 and 2 will be 5 plus 2 will be 7. So you have to cut this ray MP 7 times. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and one more is 7. Okay, you name them as M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and lastly M7. Now what you have to do, you are going to join M7 and N to get a line segment or a line M7N. So from 5 means from M5, point M5, you are going to draw a line parallel to M7N to meet MN on a certain point. So the method you know, by taking suitable distance and assuming M7 as center, you have to draw an arc, and M5, from M5 one more arc. Okay, now you have to go for the distance between these 2 points on compass, and assuming this point as center, you are going to cut the previously drawn arc by means of another arc to get a point, and from that point you have to join to draw a line joining M5 and that point which meets MN at one point. You call that point as T. So here MN is divided in the ratio 5:2, where MN having 5 and TN having 2. So this is how we draw or we divide the given line segment in the given ratio. Dear students, I have solved 4 examples. Now looking towards those 4 examples, I hope these 4 examples you will be able to solve, which I have given you as homework. The example 1 is draw PQ is equal to 6.8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 4:3. The second one is draw XY is equal to 9 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 2:5. Third one is draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. And in the same way, one more example is draw IJ is equal to 8.8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 6:3. So this is all mechanical work. Once you know the procedure, it will be very easy for you to construct or to divide the given line segment in the given ratio. I hope these 4 examples definitely you will be solving, and you will be getting yourself perfect in constructing or in dividing the given line segment in the given ratio.